What is the single most hated side dish on Thanksgiving? Yeah, the thing with the marshmallows and nobody wants that. I'm not making that. Even I can't fix that. But what's the second most hated thing? The green bean casserole. No one likes green bean casserole. It's probably because they don't know how I make green bean casserole. And in about 5 minutes, you're going to know how to make green bean casserole. And I'm going to say green bean casserole a couple more green bean times because green beans. Yep. What do you need? You need green beans. And this is about doing things easier, so we're using canned green beans. Yeah, it'd be better if they were fresh. Do you have 2 hours to make green bean casserole that no one's going to eat? No. So these are close. They're not that bad, but you need one of these. If you don't have one of these, Thanksgiving's off. Just order a pizza. Apparently people are ordering pizza this year. Maybe I'll have to make pizza. Woo, look at that. We got green beans. Okay, so we're going to drain our green beans really, really, really good. Drain your green beans. That green bean juice in there, nobody likes that. Nobody likes that at all. Okay, there. I will drain the other one in the magic of, YouTube video land thing or whatever platform you're watching this on. Green beans are going in the bowl. Now these are the French style cut green beans. If you had to make these yourself, they are a total pain in the butt. You can see these are all the cut ones. That's what you want, the shredded up cut green beans. French style, not fresh cut. They look the same and you will often pick them up and go, whoopsie, and then spend an hour slicing green beans. Don't do that. All right, let me get this one open and put it in there and then we'll be back. Okay, so what's the second thing that goes in here? Cream of mushroom soup, of course. Yes. Remember, if it comes in a can, it's faster. You can make your own. You can get fancier cream of mushroom soup, but no thank you. Oh, that sound. Oh, that just tells you it's quality right there. That just screams, Yep. There it is. Woo-hoo-hoo. We got it now. Get in there, get the good stuff out. All right. So this is going to take a little bit of milk as well. Try and get as much out of this as you can because you bought the whole can. Might as well use it. It does make a difference on the flavor, so what the heck. Okay. All right, a little bit of milk going in here. Always smell your milk, you never know. I like to use half a can of milk. And I didn't dirty any more dishes. Did you notice that? Yeah, half a can of milk. Some people say use a whole can of milk. I say make your own goddamn green bean casserole. All right, this looks pretty standard stuff. Now what you're supposed to do is put this in the oven and no one is gonna eat it. Because look at that, that's disgusting. That is gross. Okay, so we're gonna take this from this point right here. Look at this, what are we, 2 minutes in? We're gonna make this super yummy. Okay, see, that's disgusting. No one wants to eat that. All right, that's what this is for. Garlic. Okay, we're gonna smash some cloves of garlic. We're gonna mince this up real fast. Fast forward button, editor, please. All right, that's better. I have room to work. And I have a few new friends we brought to the party here. Okay, what makes things delicious? Flavor. What has flavor? This right here is my secret. Let me show you the box. Hang on. Yes, onion soup mix. Put this in there. It's delicious. It's amazing. We're just gonna drop this in and watch everyone's head explode. What's the other secret? Parmesan cheese. Yeah. Okay. I'll take a moment while you gather yourselves. Okay. But I'm just using the cheap stuff for this because, dear God, who cares? Okay. We're going to put in about 1/3 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. 1/3 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. roughly. That's just a rough estimate. You can put more if you want. You know, put a half cup in. It's fine by me. Okay, that is friggin' delicious and amazing. Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see how amazing this is? This is incredible, and this is going to taste so good. I want to taste it right now, except I don't, because ew. All right, that is not your grandmother's green bean casserole. Maybe it is your grandmother's green bean casserole, in which case, can I come over for Thanksgiving, because that woman knows how to cook. Seriously. Okay, you see I have the fancier stuff. We're going to sprinkle that in the top so you get kind of a crust on it. Oh, so good. Okay, the other secret here is you want a little bit of crunchy inside, so we're going to take a little bit of our French's, crispy fried onions, and we're going to put a little bit inside. Not a ton. We already have our onion soup mix. This just adds a little bit of crunch inside. It's fairly typical in there. I'm using maybe a quarter of the tub there. And we're going to mix this in really, really well. I got a bit of soup trying to make a break for it. And then we'll just mix this up. Okay, there you go. Green bean casserole. See? 5 minutes of your life and you have this incredible green bean casserole. Trust me, you're going to want to eat this. Trust me, you're going to want to have this for breakfast for leftovers. Seriously, some eggs and it's really not that bad. I've done that before. I'm weird. Okay, this goes in a 9x9 pan here. The standard Thanksgiving pan that everybody knows that this comes in. Glass dish. This is going to go in the oven. We're going to cook it. But do you want to know how long? You're going to have to wait. Do not fast forward on me. I'm being weird. Sorry. The holidays bring out the weird in me. Like, I'm not already weird. All right. But yeah, here we go. Of course, because of the way timing works and these videos get done, it's actually August while I'm making this, so it's very weird to me. No, it's not. It's 3 days after Thanksgiving last year. Okay, smooth this out. All right, there you go. Edge, edge, smooth. There you go, okay. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is not throw it away because we are going to have to stir this in about half an hour. This is going in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. And then it comes out, we stir it, make sure it's all happy, and then we put some more stuff on it. I won't tell you what, because you're going to stick around. Of course, for you, it's going to be like 4 seconds. So, go. Okay. It's been 30 minutes. You know what that means? It means we have ourselves some green bean casserole. Oh, yeah, we do. Okay, this looks amazing. And I really, really enjoy this at this point. So we're just going to give this a quick stir. Just to kind of break it up a little bit. Things kind of settle in there. The soup is doing what it's doing. Everything's thickening up. Just kind of give it a stir so that everything doesn't settle the bottom and all the soup isn't at the bottom and all the green beans are like that or vice versa. This just gives it that little bit of chance to be even more delicious. I'm usually older than, yeah. Anyways. There you go. That is that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to top it with our French's fried onions. Brought to you by me buying this at the store. They didn't give me anything. But if there's another brand out there, I don't know. Does it really matter? Does it really matter? Okay. And we're just going to spread this out. You want a pretty good layer of this. You really do. I mean, this is the good part. This is the only part people like. So if you skimp here, oh man, the nuggies. I'm just saying, Cousin Joey is going to be pissed. He's going to drink your good booze. So I hope you hid that. Oh my kidding, he's gonna drink your good booze anyways. It's Joey, come on, man. You love him, but he'll never change. No matter how many times it goes to rehab, he'll never change. Yep, good old Joey. All right, so here's the secret. Yeah, it's the good stuff. Yeah, a handful of this on the top with that. No, the crunch you are going to get from this when this bakes down in and starts to crispy up a little bit. My God. Don't go too crazy though, because it can be a little overpowering, especially if you're using a really good potent Parmesan. You can use Romano as well. If you find the blend with the Asiago and the whole thing, screw it. Use it. There you go. This goes back in the oven until the top basically browns. Couple more minutes, and then we got green bean casserole. Who's excited? I know it's green bean casserole. Never mind. Anyways, let's just do this. By the way, that's the equivalent of a mic drop for a chef or a cook. Just drop the oven mitts. Yep, the walk-off drop. There you go. Because that's a rock star plate right there. That is amazing. It's incredible. And yeah, told you it was pretty easy. It took, what, 5 minutes or something like that? Realistically, it's going to take you 7 in real life. I edited a couple of things. But it's easy. Half an hour in the oven, piece of cake. And if you've got dual ovens, it's even easier. Because you've got, you know, everything going different temperatures. If you don't, well, then do what I did here and bake it ahead of time. You can bake this, and then before you put the onion things on top, the crispy onions and the cheese, what you do is you take this, let it cool down, stick it in the fridge. You can make this 2 days ahead of time. And then pull it out, let it come up to room temperature a little bit, put on the stuff, and then throw it in the oven for the last minute for 10, 12 minutes, something like that. Heat it up and crispy it up. That is just a little time-saving tip. And there you go. One last thing I hope you stuck around for, because now you know. That works pretty well. And I'm going to show you what this looks like, even though I can't cut into it right now. For the magic of editing, I'm going to fast forward to when this will get cut into and splice in the picture of it getting scooped out right here. Yeah, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Look at how amazing that is. It's delicious. It's gorgeous. It tastes better than it looks even. Your family's going to be impressed. Finally, they'll appreciate you. Well, that got weird. Sorry, we're back and it's whole again. So that's it. I've got to make a whole bunch more because it's Thanksgiving, and they don't call me Bill Thanksgiving for nothing. So let me get on to the next one, and I'll get the cameras turned around, and we'll start making the next thing, because that's what we do on Thanksgiving. We kill ourselves in the kitchen. Hopefully not so bad this year. Hopefully I help. All right, so hopefully you like this. Make this. Trust me. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.